Peter, what are forged pistons? My friend brags about putting them in his 1000 HP Supra.
It's all about the grain structure of the metal, Stewie. Most factory cars use cast pistons. They're made by pouring liquid aluminum into a mold. It's efficient, but the metal cools with a random, brittle internal structure that can have tiny air pockets.
And I assume a 1000 horsepower engine is too violent for brittle metal?
Exactly. At that power level, cylinder pressure will shatter a cast piston like a dinner plate. Forged pistons are different. A solid block of aluminum is hammered into shape using thousands of tons of force. This compresses the grain and makes the metal much denser and tougher.
Does this structural change allow for higher compression ratios or more boost?
Both. In a high horsepower build, you're dealing with massive compression, the piston squeezing the air-fuel mixture into a tiny space. High compression creates immense heat and force. A forged piston can handle that squeeze without deforming or melting.
So, the forging provides the strength for the compression, but how do they get the piston to the exact measurements?
Before that, a message from our sponsor. With PCBWay, making your own professional custom PCBs, 3D printed parts, and CNC'd metal parts has never been this easy. There is a big Christmas sale going on right now with big discounts and coupons. What are you waiting for? Visit PCBWay.com for more.
They use CNC machining. After the piston is forged for strength, a computer-controlled mill carves the final shape to within a thousandth of an inch. This ensures the rings seal perfectly so that high compression doesn't leak into the crankcase.
I see. Forging for the brute strength, CNC for the surgical precision, and both to survive the high compression.
Spot on. Without them, that Supra would be a wannabe 1000 horsepower paperweight.
Comment Supra if you made this far. And don't forget to like and follow Dancetronics and Mechatronic Peter for more.